Ever feel stuck choosing between two window options that both sound great, but you're not really sure what the actual difference is? You're not alone. One of the most common questions homeowners ask is, what's the difference between Heritage and Eloquence windows? And which one is right for me? I'm Elijah Clem, and today we're breaking it down in a simple, no-nonsense way so you can make the best decision for your home. Let's start with the big picture. Both Heritage and Eloquence are designed to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. They're both high quality, energy efficient, and built to last. But where they differ is in a level of performance, design, and overall investment. Heritage windows are all about timeless performance and durability. They're designed with strong materials, solid construction, and energy efficient glass to keep your home comfortable year-round. If you're looking for a window that's reliable, long-lasting, and customizable to match your home's style, Heritage is a great fit. It's a classic solution that balances performance and value. Eloquence windows, on the other hand, take things a step further. They're designed for homeowners who want premium performance and elevated design. These windows combine advanced technology with refined aesthetics like unique hardware details and enhanced insulation. One of the biggest upgrades with the Eloquence window is energy efficiency. With features like advanced glass coatings and triple pane options, they're built to maximize insulation and help reduce energy costs over time. So a simple way to think about it is this. Heritage is your high quality, dependable, everyday performer. Eloquence is your premium upgrade with enhanced efficiency and design details. Now, which one is right for you really comes down to your goals. If you want a strong, energy efficient window that delivers long-term value and a classic look, Heritage is a smart choice. But if you're looking to maximize energy savings, take advantage of advanced features, and elevate overall the style of your home, Eloquence may be the better investment. At the end of the day, it's not about which window is better, it's about which window is better for you. If you're unsure which direction to go, that's exactly what we're here for. Check out our window cost calculator or reach out to Joyce for a free consultation, and we'll walk you through your different options, explain the differences in person, and help you choose the perfect window for your home and your budget. Because the right window doesn't just improve your home, it gives you confidence in your investment.